Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion Y540. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion Y540 only works when plugged in, it indicates a battery failure. This issue arises when the battery can no longer hold a charge, which often happens due to wear and tear over time. If left unfixed, you may find yourself unable to use your laptop without a constant power source, leading to frustration and potential data loss. To carry out this battery replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the Lenovo Legion Y540. Ensure you have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid any damage. Start by shutting down your laptop completely and unplugging it from the power source. Next, flip the device over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and store them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the panel removed, you will see the battery situated near the center of the device. It is usually held in place by a few screws. Remove these screws and disconnect the battery connector gently. Take your time here to avoid damaging neighboring components. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same port, ensuring it's secure. Replace the screws to hold the battery in place. Before sealing up the back panel, it's wise to test the device. Plug it in and power it on to ensure that it's functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once confirmed that everything is working, carefully place the back panel back on and replace the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery by allowing it to discharge completely before charging it again. Additionally, avoid leaving your laptop plugged in constantly, as this can also diminish battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.